up, everyone? And today I got something special. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Tornado mug! Okay, so basically how this works is tap this button right here. And it makes a tornado. And it looks really cool. Tornado. I'm gonna be testing this with whatever this thing is. It's like a drink. Okay, so we need to pour the water out. Okay, now I'm gonna pour it in. Okay, now I gotta put the cap on. I think it's on. Alright, let's test it. Alright, now we gotta push the button. I think it's like a milkshake. The lid's not on. This looks yummy. This is what it looks like after I did the tornadoing. Alright, now let's go try it. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it. The lid off. Maybe do that again. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, ready? It doesn't taste any different.